Okay, today we're doing a maintenance on our FireFlect Fireplace Heat Shield by Heatshield products. It's really easy to do. This is our first prototype shield. It's been in service for 2 seasons. It's covered with soot, so we're just going to grab some stainless steel wipes. You can use stainless steel barbecue cleaner, and all you do is get some, there we go, get it out, and we just wipe off the FireFlect Shield. You can also remove the shield just to make it a little bit easier, since they are so easy to take out and replace. But this method works just fine. It'll help improve the efficiency of the shield to get some of that soot off of there and get that heat reflected back into your living room or family room. For a more detailed scrub, you could even use a brush to get in there and really get all the nooks and crannies, and that's easier to do if you remove the shield from the fireplace, but we're just trying to show you a quick maintenance tip here to keep the efficiency going. You will not remove all the discolorization or all the soot from the FireFlect Shield, but this is just a little trick to help improve the efficiency.